Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to manage subscription emails that you don't want to receive. Let's dive in. First, go to your Gmail account on your computer. Tap on More in the left corner, then scroll down and click on Manage Subscription. Now open one of the unwanted promotional emails. At the top of the email, you will see unsubscribe button. Sometimes it appears next to the sender's email address. Click on it, then confirm by tapping unsubscribe again. If you don't see the unsubscribe button at the top, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the email. Most newsletters include an unsubscribe link there. Tap the link and follow the instructions. If emails keep coming, mark them as spam. Tick the box, then tap the report spam. This helps email block similar emails in the future. That's it. Now your inbox will be much cleaner. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.